Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, December 6th, 2022. Yesterday was an ugly day for the markets. We had a gap down that continued lower throughout the session, closing not far off the lows of the session. And that was our largest close-to-close down move that we've had in at least 10 sessions. And that's something we can look at here and discover. So that's what we'll look at this morning. I've grabbed all four instruments. Our setup based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, the overnight session is consolidating a little bit higher in the overnight session. So I'm going to go opening filters and click on gap up here. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to grab the unique move that describes the price action from yesterday, which says it was the largest decline of the past 10 days. That's right here in the active today section, the very bottom option. I just clicked on that. It's been added to the test. The next thing I want to do is go to the indicators library, put it in a similar market environment. Yesterday closed below a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. We had been trading above those, but yesterday took us back down below. So I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When you are gapping up, and the prior session had the largest close-to-close down move of the past 10 days and closed below a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. Historically, the S&P has 58 samples, the NASDAQ has 59, the Dow 60, the Russell 69. If we look at the win rates on them, a couple of these coming in a bit weak. The S&P coming in at 41% of these closing above the opening print. For the NASDAQ, it's 54%, the Dow 48%, the Russell 42%. If we look at the average moves, looks like the average win is larger than the average loss here on the S&P. That's not the case for the NASDAQ. It has a larger average loss. If we look at the Dow and Russell, both of those have larger average wins. So 3 of the 4 have larger average moves to the upside compared to the moves to the downside. And it looks like 3 of the 4 are at least a touch weak, or at least a little below 50% on win rates. Not the strongest bias here, but it is a little bit skewed towards the downside on those win rates. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.